This is the GoPro Fusion. There's been tons of reviews done, but they're all super long. Here's everything you need to know in 60 seconds. The look, the feel, the aesthetics of the GoPro Fusion? Thumbs up! This thing screams GoPro design. It has a lens on front and one on the back and can shoot up to 5.2K. That's another thumbs up! GoPro Fusion software Fusion Studio is a work in progress. Works as advertised, but some definite glitches. It redeems itself by having plugins to work with Adobe Premiere and After Effects, so major thumbs up! Everyone wants to know about the seam. Further away the camera is from the subject, the better it looks, but the closer you get, the harsher stitching you see. So, for 360 video, I'll say thumbs down. But for most 360 cameras, I'll say thumbs down. It's just too early. I mean, it looks good but noticeable, but for the first version it works and probably better than most, and that's like a reluctant thumbs up. That's most 360 video in general, a reluctant thumbs up. It costs $699, and that seems expensive, but for consumer-friendly tech, I think it's not too bad. Overall, you won't use it that much except for small world effect and possibly here or there, which is pretty much the story of how GoPros go anyway. Long. All right, let's do the quickest one you've ever.